Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your JK Bank ATM card. First, find a JK Bank ATM or any ATM that displays the network logos found on your card. Carefully insert your ATM card into the machine's card slot, making sure the chip on your card faces upwards. The ATM will then prompt you for your personal identification number, or PIN, to proceed with your transaction. After inserting your card, the ATM screen will ask for your 4-digit PIN. Enter this number carefully using the keypad. Remember to shield the keypad with your hand for security. Once your PIN is accepted, you'll see a menu of transaction options. Choose what you'd like to do, such as withdrawing cash or checking your balance. If you're withdrawing cash, select the cash withdrawal option. The machine will then ask you to enter the amount you need. For instance, you might enter $500. Double-check the amount on the screen before confirming. Once confirmed, the ATM will dispense your cash and usually a transaction receipt. Don't forget to take both. After completing your transaction, it's crucial to remember to take your cash, your ATM card, and your receipt. Always press the cancel or clear button to ensure your session is fully ended and your account is secure. For your safety, never share your PIN with anyone, and be aware of your surroundings when using an ATM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.